Allshelter provides reliable, durable shelters for protection of your staff, site, or equipment from all conditions. Engineered to U.S. standards, our shelters allow you maximum workspace flexibility and efficiency, meaning reduced downtime and costs. Best of all, they're quick and easy to assemble, as you'll soon see demonstrated. Stage 1. Placement of the shipping container. Stage 2. Installation of the top rails. Stage 3. Assembly and installation of the arches. Stage 4. Bracing. Stage 5. Installation of the cover. Stage 6. Tensioning of the cover. Your Allshelter protection is now ready for protecting machinery, plant and equipment maintenance, safeguarding stock, core sampling, worksite protection, or any other number of common uses. And you can rest assured with our 10-year warranty, it's built to last.